Today, we are going to cut a high-density foam material. The customers want to cut 0.8 mm slices. Here we use a gantry cutting machine ESG400 to cut this material. As the foam is very soft material, here we set the feeding speed at 500 mm per minute. It cuts very fast. After the test cutting of the material is completed, the engineer will give professional guidance based on the preliminary test cutting results. Professional suggestions are given including the setting of cutting speed and the way to fix the material for large pieces of material that need to be cut. Here shows the finished slices. Perfect 0.8 mm slices.